Hello guys, let's crack open this OP11 pack real quick. Time for some lucky pulls. Let's see here. Oh, okay. Commons, Little C, Papak, Top Nut, Neptunian, Fisher Tiger, Shilly, Koribu, Windsmoke Yarnji, Glorp Web, Ancient Weapon Poseidon, Charlotte Anana, Gear 2, aw, too bad it isn't the special Gear 2, and a Capone Gang Biggie. Yeah, that was all. Check out that rare look at the art, straight fire. If you want some One Piece openings, hit follow and join the adventure. Catch you in the next pack. Thanks, bye.